Let's see how you can add scattered photos on your project, especially when you have many photos. I'm going to be using a standard 3600 by 3600 pixels image to start as a base canvas for my scattered photos. And I will use a script called scattered photos. So I will run the script, and it says that the script will be scattered on the current image. So it could be any project that you already have in progress, and doesn't have to be a blank image. It asks me to open one photo from the folder where all the photos are. The script will actually retrieve all the photos from that one folder without you having to open them all. And after that, I'll have to reactivate my main image, which is this canvas, and run the script to continue. So I will open that one image. And this is the folder. I have 44 pictures that I want to scatter on my canvas. This image is about 1600 pixels, and this is my base canvas. I have to reactivate it. To make sure it's reactivated, I just check in the layers palette, and if I see my image, my blank or base canvas, it is reactivated, and I click to run the script again. Now, do I want to use my photo as is in the size? 1600 pixels is pretty big for 44 pictures, so I want to size it down. And it will let me size it down to the average size I want my photo. So I'm going to size them down to, let's say, 800 pixels in width. I think that should do with 3600 pixels image. Do I want to add borders to the photos? Maybe I do. So I'll say yes. And I'll have to choose the size of the borders. If I have an image of 800 pixels, maybe 20 pixels will look good. I think that's what I want. Do I want the photos rotated? Yes, if they are scattered, it would make more sense. And here, the script will add all the photos with the borders and scatter them around on my canvas. Now, do I want to add shadows? I probably will want to, and it will be faster if the script does it for me. I will have to choose the actual settings. There's a default setting here given, and this is what it will look like. This is the picture here that is actually adding the shadow to, so I can have a look what it looks like. That's fine. I say OK, and the script will add shadows to every single image with the exact same settings. That was 44 shadows added. Do I want to add a reverse shadow to the photos? In this case, probably not. So I'm just going to go with no. And I am done. Now I can just use my move tool and rearrange the photos if I want to showcase them more, if I want them more on the bottom, and so on. And I have my 44 photos scattered into a single image, and it didn't take me long at all. Now it's your turn to scatter as many photos as you want on your current project. Have fun!